Coco. She's half Maine Coon Bengal, and she's always liked the Hoover anyway, and she does get a good brush, but I'm hoovering, so today she's having hoovering. So she's good as gold. Aren't you? Yeah, so look at you before we go. Bye, say. Bye, say. Hey, let's look at you. Let's look at you. Good girl. She's 3 years old. She's half Maine Coon Bengal. And as you can see, she's good as gold. My other cat, Chloe, she's 13. She runs away. So she'll have a proper brush soon. But today she had a tidy up job with the Hoover. Bye. Bye.